everyone, it's Donna here. I just wanted to come on real quick and let you know about something I forgot to do or didn't think to do when I was constructing my envelope Flippy thing. I got it all decorated, and I'll flip through it real quick. And I went to sew it into the signature as a signature in my journal, and I realized I had it folded just one single fold, and I had nothing to sew the signature into. I hope that makes sense. I would have been bringing the needle up right where all of the envelopes are joined. So what I decided to do, I put another score line about, I guess, about a half an inch away, and I made a gusset. I made a little spine for it, and it sits better in the journal this way anyway. Before it was like rounded, and now it's sitting more flat because it's really thick with all the envelopes. And that made the front cover of it a little bit shorter than the back cover, and to kind of hide that fact, I just sewed some lace onto it, so now it looks like they're both the same width. And I have it all in, and also that made this a little bit easier to open by doing that, so I'm going to put something in there. This one is still really tight, so I probably won't put anything in there. I'll let whoever purchases this, tuck something hidden up in there. But I finished decorating it. Oh, let me move my journal and my other two signatures out of the way, with some little tags and little tucks. I'll do a more thorough flip through when I finish the journal. It's really chunky. This is thicker than the other two signatures that are going in there. This something there, and something in the back, and of course my little envelopes with things tucked into them. Come on. So flips this way, and then that way, and then this way, and then that way, and then this way, and then that way, and it gets tied up. So I wanted to come on real quick and give you that update in case you wanted to make one of these, so that you don't make the same mistake that I did and forget to put a little spine on it. So that's all I have for today. I'm working on the rest of the signatures, and as soon as I get it finished, I will come back and show you a complete flip through of the entire journal. Thanks, and bye for now.